Welcome back to the Nightcap. This one is going to be an oldie. Get this straight from my favorite cocktail book, which is from the 1940s. The Pink Gin Cocktail is the drink that we're going to be making today. It's for people that like gin-forward cocktails. Really simple, just kind of old school here. So we're going to make it and get it going. Not much to it, so you're really going to have to like gin to go ahead and like this one. So we're going to go with the Aviation Gin today. We're just going to pour in 1.5 ounces. That goes in there. That shaker is full of ice already. And then we're just going to get the Angostura aromatic bitters. We're going to put in 1 dash. Simple as that. Now we're going to give it a shake. You'll see the color of this changes a little bit. It's not going to be bright pink. Give it a good shake. Okay, that's frozen there. Now we'll get the glass for you. Not much in it, so we just need a small little glass, and we'll pour that on there. See the color, it's a little pink. Fills that up just nice. So my gin fans out there, this one's for you. Please be a part. Cheers.